Are you getting hundreds of leads or even thousands of leads, but nobody is buying from you from those leads? Sometimes you might blame the algorithm or even blame your targeting as a problem, but it's not always the case. It is just that whenever you are running a lead objective campaign and people are filling the form either on your website or on Meta form itself, what Meta does is that Meta continues to optimize for those people that are filling the form. So it means that you are just optimizing for form filling. Now, some of the time this works, but most of the time it's actually problematic because there's no way for you to tell Meta that these people that are filling the form are actually converting or that have been qualified or they have even become customers. So how do you do that? I'm surprised that not many advertisers talk about this. All right. So, but what you need to do is you go to where we call the lead center. All right. So you just go to all tools. And then once you get to all tools, just search for lead center. All right. Now, because I've already, you know, used it before, that is why it's showing here. But then you see this lead center, just click on it and it's going to bring you here. Okay. So now you can see we have a sample lead here. So what you need to do is you can move this lead to say qualified, converted, not qualified, lost, or you can even delete or report the lead. Now you might ask that, how does this come here? Now automatically, if you're using Messenger or you're using the Meta forms, it's automatically gets populated here. But let's say you have a form on your website and you've qualified certain lead or they've converted and you want to tell Meta that these leads are the best lead. All you need to do is come to this particular end where you click on add lead. And then when you click on add lead, you see you can create a lead here. You can upload the lead, or you can get leads in Messenger, or you can get leads with a Meta instant form. And here, you can move your lead from here. For example, if I click on move to qualified, the lead moves to qualified, and you can move it to converted, or you can even create a custom lead category here. I hope you got value from this. Well, we have many more resources like this in my membership program called Paid Ads Profit Lab. All right. And it's where you are going to learn things that, you might not see on the internet. So all you need to do is just click on the link below or just comment PAP, 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 and I am going to send you the link to join this membership program. I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Peace. There is